And how are you all? I am fine. Oh, look, who is coming?
Array Preetha, what are you doing here?
I am greetings with my friends.
Okay, did you introduce yourself to your friends?
What is your introduction?
You don't know what is introduction?
No,
Okay,
miss.
let me tell you. Introducing yourself means to give a few details on yourself, like your name, class, hobbies, favorite things, all this. Okay?
Okay, miss.
So, shall I show you how to do it?
Yes, miss.
For example, I am Preetha, okay? I am giving her introduction, okay? My name is Preetha Chakrabarti. I read in class UKG. I am 6 years old and my favorite game is cricket. I like to play cricket every time. My favorite color is red. All this. Now come and say.
My name is Preetha Chakrabarti. I am 6 years old. I read in class UKG. My favorite color is red. I love to eat momos, and my favorite game is cricket. I love to play cricket.
Okay, very good Preetha. Now go back to your seat.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Hello dear students and welcome back. I hope that you all are fine and well, and I also hope that you liked the previous video, the alphabets. Okay. So today we are going to do this English. Okay. So for that you need to take out this book. Just have a look at the book. This is, the name of the book is Let's Learn English. Everyone say after me, Let's Learn English. So everyone take out this book and open to page number 5. Do you know me? Just now we have introduced, now I have given you the example of Preetha, how she introduced, how you need to introduce yourself, how you have to give your introduction, right? So in this chapter we are going to learn the same thing, okay? So in this way you have to introduce yourself, okay? So now everyone open to page number 5. This page number. Do you know about me? Do you know me, who I am, right? So here in this book it's written, get ready with your pencil, okay? So in this book everyone repeat after me. Hello everyone. Here it's written, hello everyone. My name is, okay, let me tell you this with the help of an example, okay? So Preetha, come here.
Yes, miss.
What is your name?
My name is Preetha Chakrabarti.
Which class do you read in?
I read in class UKG.
Oh, you live with your family, right?
Yes.
Now tell me, how many members are there in your family?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members.
There are 5 members in your family.
Yes.
Very great. Okay. How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Very good. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 17 March.
Very good. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What do you like to play?
I like to play cricket.
Very good. Where do you live?
I live in Shiliguri.
Okay, very good. In this way, this is called myself, that you have introduced yourself, just like Preetha, she have introduced herself, right? So this is the introduction, okay? Okay, thank you. Go back to your seat.
Okay, miss.
So now we will do page number 5, okay? Everyone take out your pencil, get ready with your pencil, and just let's move on to the board, okay? So here in the book what it is written? Hello everyone, then my name is, you have to write your name here, as my name is Rashmi Chhetri, so I have written here Rashmi Chhetri, okay? And in the second line, I study in, which class do you study? In UKG, right? So here I have written I study in UKG class. In this space you have to write UKG, okay? Okay, do you know what is the full form of UKG? You don't know? Okay, let me tell you. The full form of UKG is U for upper, KG for kindergarten. That means upper kindergarten. Okay. So we all live with our parents, right? We have father, mother, grandma, grandpa, our sister or brother. So we all live with our family. So how many members do you have in your family? You have to write that in this space. Okay, just like I have 5 members in my family, so I have wrote here 5, but you have to write your own. That is, there are 5 members in my family. Okay, in this way. Now everyone, here in this picture there is 2 column given, right? This one box and the second box. Okay, so in this picture, in this box, what you have to do, why this box is given, do you know? Okay, let me tell you this. Okay, paste your own picture in this box. That means you might have lots of photographs, right? So what you will do, you will paste that picture in this box. Take the help of your mama or your papa. Okay, in this first box, first column, you have to paste your own picture, and in this second column, paste a family photograph in the box below. Here you have to paste your family photograph, that means with your parents like papa, mama, grandma, grandpa. Okay, here you have to paste in this box, you have to paste your own picture, and in this box you have to paste the picture of your whole family. Okay, so now everyone open to page number 6. This page number, more about me. Just before few minutes before, I have given you the example with Preetha, how she introduced. She told me about her address, she told me about her favorite color, favorite game, favorite food, right? So this is a little brief details about yourself. Okay, in this page you have to give a little brief on yourself. So here in this page, first one is I am dash years old. How old are you? Might be 5, might be 6, might be 7. So write here according to your age. Okay, and the second one, I was born on, when is your birthday? Do you remember? Might be 5th January, might be 10th July, whatever it is, write here. The first one will be birth date, then month, then year. Okay, and in the third space, what you will do here, my favorite color is, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. So this is my book, I will write here blue. My favorite color is blue. So whatever your favorite color is, you will write here. Okay, in this space. I love to play cricket. Whatever game you like to play, you can write here in this space. I love to play, might be carom board, might be cricket, might be football, anything. Okay, you can write here. Dash is my favorite food. Which food do you like? I like to eat pizza, so this is my book. I will write here pizza is my favorite food. Whatever your favorite dish is, you will write here. Okay, and in this column, my address is dash. Where do you live? Suppose example, I live in Bagdogra, so I will write here Bagdogra Airport Mode. And where do you live in? You have to write your own address. Okay, and the last one is my school's name is, what is the name of your school? Everyone say with me. Okay, my school name is Bagdogra Sister Nivedita English School. So here you have to write the name of your school. Okay kids? Okay students, now we have already completed our first, that is first English 1, that is let's learn English, and now everyone take out your easy learning English. Everyone say with me, easy learning English. So take out this book and open to page number 8, and I hope this chapter we have already done in the previous video, previous class, right? So I have given you the homework to do it. Have you done it? Yes, my students are very smart. I know they have already done it, right? So now everyone open to page number 8, this one. Oh, see, what is this? See in the book, everyone, have a look at the book. What is this? This is an incomplete picture. I think this is a picture of some animal. This is a picture of some animal, right? But see, which animal is this? I can't say it. I don't know what animal is this. So can you make it? Of course, why not? Because there are some alphabets given. Now how you have to do this? I will show you with the help of an example, and Preetha is going to help us. Okay? Come, Preetha.
Yes, miss.
See, here are some dots given.
Yes, miss.
Here are some dots given, and here are some alphabets is also given over there, right? So join these dots and let's see what we are going to make. Take.
Okay. This is A. Then where I should go? In B or F? I think B.
Yes, very good.
Then D.
No. Is that so? Is it so? A, B, then D.
Oh no. After A, B, then C. Then D,
Very good.
E,
Yes.
F.
Then again. Yes. Okay. Now do this one also.
A.
From where you have to start? Tell me.
From
Show
A.
show everyone from where you have to
from
start.
A.
Yes. Start from A.
Which one is B? I think this one is B. I think this one is B.
Is it correct? Preetha is doing in the correct form. No, I don't think so. Just see what you have done. Is it B?
Then what is this?
This is D.
Oh.
What comes after A? B, not D.
I thought that is B.
A,
This
B.
one is B. And after B, I think it is C.
Yes.
Then D. Then A.
Yes. Clap for her. Very good. Now see which shape is this? Okay, go back to your seat.
Thank you, miss.
Which shape is this? This is circle. She made this circle with the help of these alphabets. It became so easy, right? And this which shape is this? What shape is this? Square. This also she made with the help of an alphabets by joining the alphabets, right? Okay, now the previous one Preetha did, that was very easy. Now let's see, this is little bit hard and confusing. So let's see she can do this or not. So come Preetha, come here.
Yes, miss.
The girl here wants to reach her home. Show her the way to her home. Okay, help her.
Okay, miss. Okay, now I am in A. From A, I have to go to B. Then C. Then D. Then E. After E, I have to go to F. Then G.
Wow, she did. Oof, it was a very long way, right? Isn't it? But Preetha did it very well. Very good, Preetha.
Thank you, miss.
Go back to your seat now. See how she have done now. Very similarly here in this book, in this page number 8, here you have to join these dots with the help of letters. Okay, like see, have a look at your book. A, then B, then C. After doing this, just see which animal you will get. Okay, in this way you have to do. Now let's move on to the second question. It's join the animals to their beginning letter sound. Beginning letter sound. How many letters are there in English? That day I told you there are total 26 letters, right? So each letters consists or gives us some name. Okay. So what you have to do here is you have to match these letters with the, here, what do you see here? Animals and also the jumbled letters here, Z, Z, D, L, K, in this way, these all are jumbled. Now what you have to do here is, you have to match this letter with the beginning sound of these animals name. Okay, let's move on to the board. I am going to show you. Suppose, example, my name is Rashmi. What is the beginning letter of my name? It's R. What was her name? Preetha. What is the beginning letter of her name? It's P. P for Preetha, R for Rashmi. Similarly, A for apple, B for ball, right? So let's move on to the board now. Here I can't draw the pictures of those animals, but I have written the names here. Okay. So take the pencils and just do with me. Okay. So okay, what is the first letter in the board? Zebra, right? Now, can you find the zebra here in this book? Have a look at your book. Where is zebra? Yes, this one is zebra, right? Now, zebra starts from letter Z. Now, can you find it? Where is Z? Okay, very good. Here is Z. So, I am going to match here zebra with letter Z. Now, what is the second word? Dog. See? It's dog, right? So in this book, where is dog? Here. And dog starts with letter D. Where is D here? Over here. So match it with letter D. Okay. Now the third word is lion. Lion starts with letter L. Where is L here? This one? No, this one, right? So let's match here lion with letter L. What is the next word? It's tiger. Tiger starts with letter T. So where is letter T? Let's see. This one. So match it. Match tiger with letter T. Next one is kangaroo. It starts with letter K. Now we have to find out where is letter K. It's here. So match it in this way. Now the next word is monkey. Monkey starts with O. No, it starts with M. Now where is the letter M? It's here. Match in this way. The next word is bat and it starts with letter B. Now we have to find letter B. Where is it? It's here, downward. Then the next word is octopus and octopus starts with letter O. We need to find out letter O. So it's here, then match it in this way. Okay. And the last word is snake. Snake starts with letter S. So you will match it in this way over here. S with snake. S for snake. Okay. So I think this was a little bit confusion. You can take the help of your parents to do this work. Okay. Now kids, move on to page number 9. It's the beginning sound. Just now, few minutes before I told you beginning sound. A for apple, B for ball, E for elephant, F for fish. These all are the beginning letters. Okay, means the first letter of any name. Suppose R for Rashmi. Rashmi, the first letter is R. Similarly, that is called the beginning letter. Okay. So what you have to do here, let's see. Draw lines to match the picture. Everyone repeat after me. Okay. Draw lines to match the pictures with the correct beginning letter sound. Now there are a lot of pictures and letters given over there. So you have to match these alphabets to these pictures. Suppose C for carrot. Carrot comes with letter C. So you have to match over here. C for carrot. And the first letter is A for ant. That means A for ant. Match it. This is bat. The beginning letter of bat is B. So where is B? In this way you have to do this. Okay. Which page number? Page number 9 and 10. The same way. I have shown you how to do this. So you will do this by yourself. Okay. So kids, that's all for today, and this is your homework. Pause the video and note down this. This is the homework for your English subject. Okay. Let's learn English page 5, 6 and easy learning English page number 8, 9, 10. I hope that you all like this video. So let's meet up in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Hello dear students and welcome back. I hope that you all are fine and doing well. So today in this class we are going to do maths, okay? Maths activity book. So everyone take out your maths preschool, everyone say with me, Graphelco preschool maths activity book. So all of you take out this book and open to page number 2. Before that I have something new for you all. Do you want to see that? Okay, let me show you. See, what is this? Wow! There are different colors. So fun, na? Let's see. Do you know what color is this? Okay, let's read. Okay, everyone read after me. Okay, this is red color. See, red. This is white. This is green. This is blue. This one yellow. This one black. This one pink. This one orange, and the last one is violet or purple. Okay, so now everyone open to page number 2 of which book? Maths activity book. See here, there are different shapes given. Okay, and the question is follow the first row to color the shapes. You have to follow these first column. What are the colors? First of all, let's see that. Okay, this is red color, blue color, yellow color, green color. So now how you have to color this? There are different pictures, there are different shapes. Now how you have to do this? Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is what is does it look like? It looks like a birthday hat, right? And what color does it have? Red color. Now you have to find out this hat in this page, in this picture, and then you have to color all this birthday hat in red color. Okay, like here it's in this, here also you will get this birthday hat, here also you will color this hat in red color. Secondly, this is a circle. It looks like a sun and it is blue in color. Now you have to find out in each column where is this circle. Suppose here you have to color this circle in blue color. And this one, it looks like a glass, right? And this glass is yellow in color. You have to find out all this glass in this picture and you have to color that glass in yellow color. Color that with yellow color, okay? And the last one is, it looks like a box and this box is green in color. So how you will do? You will color all the box in green color with green color, okay? This is also your homework. You have to do it by yourself. Now everyone turn to page number 3. Oh, see, what is this? There are balloons, birds, sun, tree and a boy. Now what we have to do with this? Let's see. Count the objects and write the correct numbers in the boxes below. Where you have to write? First of all you have to count the pictures. Suppose birds, how many birds are there, how many sun is there, how many balloons are there, trees are there. You have to count it and you have to write here, okay? Just below the picture there are some columns given out, so you have to write there. So let's count first of all the birds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds are there, so you will write here 8, okay? Balloons, let's move on to balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balloons, so you will write here 4, okay? And how many sun is there? Only 1, so you will write here 1. How many trees are there? 2. 1, 2. 2 trees, so you will write here 2, okay? Before writing you will get the picture also, okay? Just beside that picture you will mention the number, okay? This one also you will do it by yourself. This is your homework. Now move on to page number 4. Wow, what is this? It's a clown. It's a picture of a clown, right? In the previous one we have joined the alphabets, right? Letters, and in this one we have to join the numbers. See? So everyone get ready with the pencil and let's do it together, okay? First starting from 1, then it's 2, then move on to 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now see, what is it? The picture is completed. The dress of the crown is completed. Now you can use your own favorite color to color this, okay, to fill this. Now everyone move on to page number 5. It's connect the balloon to the correct children. There are some balloons and there are some children's given. Each of this balloon and these pictures have numbers, right? So you have to match this, okay? Let's do it together, this one also. In this balloon it's written 8. Where is number 8, girl? It's here, so we will match in this way, okay? So next is number 16 balloon. Let's see who has hold the board of number 16. It's here, so match it with me everyone, this way. Third one is number 13. So where is number 13? Here. So everyone match it in this way. And the last one is number 9. Where is number 9? Here. So match it in this way. Okay. So kids, now we just did maths. Now we will move on to GK. Okay. General awareness. Now all of you kids, take out this book. It's general awareness. Everyone say with me, general awareness. So everyone take out this book and move on to page number 7. Wow, what is this? Again, myself. We have learned this myself, about myself in English also, and Preetha has helped me doing this, okay? So now in this also we have got myself in page number 7. Now what you have to do here? There are 2 columns given. Paste a picture of yourself as a baby in the first frame, then paste a recent picture of yourself in the second frame. Here you have to, in this frame you have to paste the picture of your childhood when you were too small, and in this second frame, blue frame, you have to paste the picture, paste your recent photograph. That means the recent one you have to paste the picture, okay? Now here what you will do, my name is, you will write your own name. I am dash years old. How old are you? Might be 5, 6, 7. You will write here, I am 5 years old or 6 years old. Okay. And remember this, you have to paste here your childhood picture, and in this frame you have to paste your recent picture. Okay. And circle the correct one. Whether you are boy or whether you are girl, you have to tick according to your gender. Suppose I am a girl and this is my book, so I will tick here, I am a girl. I will do a tick mark here, okay? This is your homework. Do this with the help of your parents, okay? Now everyone turn the page. It's page number 8. Wow, my favorite things. See? My favorite things, and see, there are lots of dishes. Wow, see, it's dosa, idli, burger, pizza, ice cream. Now what you have to do here, circle the food item that you like to eat. Whatever among this, whatever the food that you like to eat, you have to circle that, okay? Suppose I like to eat pizza, so I will circle here, or burger, I will circle here. Only circle the things, the dish that you like to eat, okay? And this is also your homework. You will do it by yourself. So just have a look at this one, have a look at the board, pause the video and note down your homework, okay? So I hope that you all liked the video, and let's meet up in the next one. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye bye.